everybody home. Okay, talofa, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. Today's mukbang is some nice food actually. I got a roast chicken there, okay. It's got a bit of stuffing as well. And a thumbnail along the way. I did a thumbnail. So on my plate, guys, I've got roast chicken, stuffing, Cook Island donut, potato bake, and some tomatoes, whatever you want to call it. That's what's on my plate. Anyway, guys, and I've got a chicken salt mayonnaise. Right. Cool. That's from Faye's mayonnaise. I've got coffee with 4 sugars because sometimes the coffees can be a bit sour. And I have apple juice as well to go with that. So before I start my prayer, I just want to do my drink. That's it, guys. I'm going to get my prayer done and then we'll start, okay? So, I'm going to get this started. I've got a habit of always wiping my spoons. I don't know if you guys do it, but I do. I always wipe my spoons, I don't know. Even if I have to wipe it on my top. Okay, cheers guys. This is apple juice. Yum, yum, yum. I hope you guys got something to eat. Can't eat by myself, you know. Look at these Cook Island donuts. I didn't make these, guys, so I won't take the credit. But they're nice and like fluffy, spongy. Where's my other? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got that beautiful. I love the smell of Cook Island donuts. Yum. I had 2, but obviously I left the other one in the kitchen. Okay, here guys, this is the stuffing. I had Red Rooster the other day and it did not have any stuffing. So I'll make sure this one has stuffing. That's potato bake. These donuts are nice. I don't know who makes them. I didn't. I got them from St. Mary's Donuts. Nice. What's everyone been up to? My last video was my Cook Island one. So if you haven't watched that one, please go and find it and look for it. Look for it. I don't know how to put up the thing on the top. I don't know how to edit and put it there. Oh yeah. My editing skills is still like learners. Got my learner's license. Anyway. Ooh, that came down fast. So, I'm gonna have me a tomato. Yeah. There's actually a nice mayonnaise. Chicken salt mayonnaise. We're going for the chicken salt. Phải lang ay mayonnaise. Hey. Oh. This donut's actually nice. You know what? When people make good food, I love it. I appreciate it. I appreciate people's effort to make good food. Oh, look at that one. It melts the cheese. Grab my big enough. Oh, look at this. breaking the chicken, its neck came with it. There's a bit of neck. Have a bite. Tasty. One time, my husband, he went and got himself $5 worth of this chicken neck, and he bought it just so he can eat it. They're actually nice, you know. I guess it's because it's so close near the bone. I was watching some Jamaican on YouTube, how they cook their food. I just love watching it because they like to barbecue their food and then they go and sell it at the beach, and the music that goes with it. I love those songs that got really good beat. I'm not really a slow, you know those songs that's really slow? Jamaican got some really good songs, guys. Really good songs. The beat of their music is just on point. Back in the days when I used to love going to see this, man, you just have to hear, you know, a beat that the band's gonna play, and you know it's gonna be a good one. So I like to get up and dance with my my friends or sisters. Then I can dance any way I want. But when you go up and dance with a person, a man, then you have to dance for your whamangea. But then when you're really in the mood, you're gonna dance like a clown. That's me. Back in the day, my sisters and I, all got sivarangai mea. Oh well, hey guys. When you're home looking after your kitties, sometimes you gotta go out and let your hair down. Before I used to drink a lot. I did. I don't know why. It was fun. One, it was fun. And then, I think I told you this before. I used to be addicted to gambling. In the pokies. They should get rid of those pokie machines. You know. It's really whakosinga, and if you don't know what that means, guys, it's like voodoo magic. It just draws you in. You just have to win one win, and you sort of get addicted. Not everyone, but a lot of people. Yeah, so I gambled for ages. I don't know. I just think it was the thrill of, you know, trying to get that free win. It's better to stop and save your money. You'll make more money saving your money than you think you're going to go and win on the pokies. Oh, you delivery man. The courier. When my older daughters used to stay here, the courier man used to drop off things for my kids almost every day. Because I was the one that would sign up for these things because my kids won't be here. All they do is text me, Mom, is something coming to the house? Some I have to give my license as proof. And That's alright. I told you about it. Anyway, guys, I went to go get another donut. My niece, Julianne, stopped by, and I thought, yeah, give me a chance to go and get me another donut. These donuts are lovely. Look, they're light yellow. And obviously made today. I can tell. When you go and buy stuff, always have that little feel. Because when you feel, you can tell if they were made on the day. Sometimes a little giveaway, if it's like fresh, you can see how it's like steamy. The bag looks steam, then you know it was made on the day. I always have messy plates. When I'm eating, it ends up really messy. Oh, guys, look at that. Did I give you guys a bite earlier? Oh, that's rude. Yeah. I had another kid move out just this week. What's with them moving out? I mean, we stay here in 4-bedroom, sunroom and a garage. My mum and I, we stay in the garage. I know, it's weird, but I like it like that, you know. It's our own privacy, and it's where I can look after her properly. It's where, oh, we got our own TV, so that's good. What she likes watching is cooking. Ramsay. She always laughs when, you know, he talks, when he yells. You know, I say, why are you laughing? Don't laugh at him yelling at those people. Anyway, have you known of anyone that you know personally start up a YouTube channel? I'm hoping, like, that more Polys do their channels. Before, it used to be you upload and then you can start getting paid straight away. But ever since that thing happened with something happened ages ago. So I just changed everything. I was thinking about the songs. I was thinking about how my dad always loved listening to cookout music. Samoan music. One of his favourite was Paka. And a Cook Island lady named Apiti. And the Tahitian man, Batalemi. I shared on my video the other day, John Roberts. No, right up the belly. It was egg. I can't remember his name. Oh, Tom James. See me get excited when I found out the name. Oh, yeah. Tom Jones. Oh, he's so handsome, eh? With a beautiful voice. Anyway, the song that he sang that I shared onto my Facebook was Green Green Grass of Home. Who knows Green Green Grass of Home? Hey, let's sing it. Let's sing it together. The old place looked the same when I stepped down from the train. Yeah. And there to meet me was my mom and Papa. Okay, you're gonna get those ones. Make up the words as you go because you don't know it. That's me. Down the road I look, there runs Mary. Look away, Mary. Hair of gold and lips like cherry. It's good to be in green, green grass of home. He's a good singer, eh, Tom Jones? What's up, Pussycat? Yeah, 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 yeah. Stop it! Stop singing and focus on the food. I know. I used to play my older day songs when I used to sing in the garage. And then my kids started liking it. One of them was, tie the yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. If you still want me. Because the dude went to jail, okay? And then he was wondering if his missus was going to wait for him and still love him. And if she does, tie those yellow ribbons around the old oak tree, he wanted. And then, when you got there, 1,000 yellow ribbons. One of you is thinking, let's ring up the ambulance for this lady, this Bob lady, and her singing. And then I had another one, and I used to go, oh no, here she goes again. Stop it, stop it. There's another one that my kids loved after hearing it all the time. It's getting ready to sing it. Look at how I'm getting ready to sing it. It's like I'm getting ready to flap. Hey there, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night when I live alone. I know, trying to sound like a man just there. And another guy that I like is John Rose. Yeah, John Rose. Well, he went and ended up living in Hawaii. He really loved it there. There might be something really nice about Hawaii, and because I was really filmed there too. My mom's been to Hawaii, not me. The thought of flying on the plane for so long, yeah, I perfect out. I'll miss out. There was an opportunity for me to go to Hawaii, but I didn't want to go. Yeah, my mom asked me if I wanted to go with her because she was going to Hawaii. So she wanted to go and visit her older sister's kids. Because her older sister, Olive, she had passed away from cancer. And my mom wanted to go and visit the children again. So she did. And instead of taking me, she took my little sister Esther. Well, she said it was so nice meeting them. How cool. Now, my auntie Olivia, I've never met her kids. I don't know if I've even met her. Or she lived somewhere before I was born. Really what? Should I ask my mum, but I can't ask my mum anymore because she's got dementia now. My poor mum. So it's good that my mum went to see her sister's kids. It's so good. You know why? Because she kept that promise, you know. She said to the kids, I'm going to go, but I'm going to come back. So, what happened? My parents sold their house in New Zealand. Big mistake now, because the houses in New Zealand is, woo, $500,000. Anyway, what's done is done. But, so, by the time my mum wanted to sell the house, my dad was no longer here. So, she had all this money to play around with, right? And one of them was going to visit my cousins. She probably wanted to go and give them some money. Because my mum said when she was there, they didn't have a lot. And if you just go and give them some money, it's really good. Because that's what my mum's like. I'm glad that she did. Why not, eh? Why not? Ne mea whaingao le makiwa. Ai se kupepe, ai se me susuangi, ai. Ia lofa ngai ka ngaka. That's what she always says. Mum always says that. I love ngai ka ngaka. I love how my mum instilled in me. My dad, well, he was sort of different. My dad he worked hard for us, and that's it. So, my dad, I know, you guys are going to think, oh, your dad was mean, but I don't know. My dad was just all for his wife and his kids. So lucky, he had a wife that, that's the opposite, that thinks the opposite. Yeah, it's good that, eh? That God can balance us, you know? One good, one bad. Put it together, it's bad. No, anyway, so my mum will try and do some overtime so she can make sure that what families are asking for in Samoa, she can send some. Now, I tell you what, my mum, she always said, ele makiwa isaka ngaka pēra. And you know those ones that's like tight with money? They'll always think they don't have enough, honestly. But those that give a little, to them it's like they never really lost anything because they felt that it was good that they gave. And that's the truth. You know, I don't know. I just have that nice feeling. Honest. I laugh because, you know, you guys might think, she always says, but it's the truth. Ask my siblings. There was a time that I would give money here or give something, or that two of my siblings were saying that I'm trying to be a hero, really, but how can they not know me? I've been doing it since I was a little girl. I used to get in trouble because I used to do things that, I used to take things from the house because I was giving that away. Guys, look, the only reason why I was giving it away is because I felt that we were rich. Compared to my friends and some of their family, we were rich, but we weren't rich. We weren't. My parents were both working long hours to try and get things for us, and I would take stuff so I can go and give it. Even my own stuff, even my shoes, my mum would go, oh, look at that, Faye, I'll say, Faye. And I go, you can eat up. No, you tell I. You can eat up for you. But I know I've already given it away to one of my friends because, you know, when I see their shoes, it's got a hole in the front, the toe is talking. And trust me, we weren't rich, guys. sometimes in our fridge, guys, we would have this big fridge, like heaps of butter, heaps of ice water, and not a lot of anything else. So we would wait for the next page so my parents can, you know, we go shopping, and then our fridge is full for how many days? About 4 or 5 days. No, 3, 4 days. Hey, you guys should know, you know, there's that time when our shopping is like heaps of stuff. But I tell you what, I never felt poor. You know, even if we had just ice water, butter, my parents, our parents, never made us feel that we're poor, you know. I don't know. I think it's just God's blessing, you know, God's blessing to make us not feel poor. But we were poor. Honest, we were. But I don't know. I don't know. I just love my mum for instilling in me, you know, to share, you know. Try not to take yourself out of the, you know, like make yourself in hardship. I don't think that's how it should be, you know. Don't put yourself in hardship so you can, you know. But if you can give a little, that little to that person that you're sending it to is a lot. So, you know what I mean, eh, guys? Yeah, I'll take my mum, you know, like if I want to do her food, I try and pretend I'm doing Hellooo. So I go, you know, try to talk like that. And she's cracking up. I love making my mum laugh. Sometimes she nearly made me cry because she doesn't listen. Guys, I've got one shout out. One shout out, guys, and I promised this mother that I would do this shout out for her children. And I am so happy that her children want to be recording, you know. So it's my pleasure to give a shout out to the H Fam Bam. So please, if you don't mind, just to stop by and show some Poly support or YouTuber support for this family that's just starting their channel, and they would love to see you guys there with a comment, subscribe, and like their videos. They're just starting, guys, but I know they're going to get better with time. So to the H Fam Bam, please keep it up. Keep it up, guys. It will take a while to get to your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 hours watch time. Guys, you'll eventually get there. It might take a while, but don't give up, okay? Just keep on doing it. And next year, who knows? Always send thanks to loving God, because without Him, we don't have any food, we don't have any clothes. Ooh, that means we'll be naked. Hey, take care, guys. It's always a pleasure to have you guys along. You guys are the best audience any YouTuber can ask for. Take care. Kia manuia, fa soifua. Take care of your parents.